Hi, we're here at DevCon 2026 at the Santa Clara Convention Center. I'm Monica.
Hi, I'm Matt from Samtec.
And we're here at the Samtec booth and we're showcasing our PCIe 7 electrical performance. Matt, can you give us a little bit overview of your product?
Monica, I'd be glad to. And by the way, thank you for allowing us to be a part of the joint demonstration between Samtec and Synopsys. What we're showing here is PCIe 7 demonstration running over 3 types of cable from Samtec on the test board that we have from Synopsys that features Samtec's high-performance bullseye test system. That's routing high-speed signals from the Synopsys chipset to our test boards. On the test boards that you see here, we're running 2 other types of cable. We're running our NovaRay cable-to-board solution, which simulates ASIC-adjacent solutions to the front panel. On the front panel that we have right here, we have our NovaRay I/O passive DAC solution. So when you look at the system, die to die, we have about 2 meters of copper cabling between the RF and the twin-ax domain. How does the performance of the system look from Synopsys standpoint?
Yeah, so as Matt mentioned, it's a really long channel right here. We have around a 40 dB channel, including the Samtec cabling itself and our package. In this type of setup, we're actually showing 5e to the minus 9, which is really good considering that the spec is 1e to the minus 6. So we do have margin in cases where we go a little bit beyond what the spec requires.
Yeah, the BER of the system is actually e to the minus 9, correct?
Correct.
So I'm happy to see there's good margin, good IP performance from Synopsys. That also tells from Samtec's perspective we can actually get longer cable at PCIe 7. We're really excited by that opportunity.
Yes, agreed. Thank you so much, Matt, for having us be in this collaboration. For more information, please go to synopsys.com/PCIe.
Or samtec.com/PCIe as well. Thank you.
Hi, we are here at DevCon 2026 at the Santa Clara Convention Center. I'm Monica. I'm a technical product manager at Synopsys, and I'm here with Goto.
Hi, this is Mr. Goto with Anritsu. Synopsys and Anritsu are making a live demonstration of PCIe 7.0 stressed eye testing. Anritsu BAD MP1900 is generating a PCIe 7.0 128 gigabit per second signal from pulse pattern generator. You can inject the SJ, RJ, CMI, and DMI to make your stressed eye testing of your receiver.
Thank you, Goto, for going over that. So now that we have the Anritsu pattern generating a signal through here, we have this connected through the ISI board. So the ISI board plus the PHY package, total insertion loss is 36 dB, which is what the PCIe 7 spec requires. With this full insertion loss, we're getting really good bathtub plots, showing really good BER. We're also showing very good linear PAM4 eyes as well. And for the BER in this typical setup, we're actually showing error-free, which is really good compared to what the spec requires overall. So overall, as you can see, we showed our PCIe 7 PHY electrical performance using a third-party vendor like Anritsu, and we showed really good receiver performance. For us as an IP vendor, it's very important to show our performance using third-party vendors such as Anritsu. For more information, please go to synopsys.com/PCIe.
For more information about Anritsu BAD, please visit anritsu.com and search MP1900. Thank you very much.
Hi, we're here at DevCon 2026. My name is Monica. I'm the technical product manager at Synopsys, and we are here at the Teledyne LaCroix booth. So we have our Synopsys transmitter connected to the Teledyne LaCroix scope. We're outputting a compliance pattern at 128 gig. We actually did some SNDR tests as well, and we have really good performance. It actually showed something above what the spec requires. Over the course of the event, we've been testing with different third-party scope vendors. As an IP vendor, it's really good for us to be able to show us interoperating with these different vendors to make sure that whenever customers have this in their own lab and they test, they also see the same margin that we see. Overall lowering the risk whenever they start to apply this product into their actual final product as well. For more information, please go to synopsys.com/PCIe. Thank you. Hi, we are here at DevCon 2026. I'm at the Santa Clara Convention Center. My name is Monica. I'm a technical product manager at Synopsys, and we're here at Granite River Labs. Granite River Labs is an authorized test lab through PCI SIG, and we're actually showing our receiver and transmitter performance here at their booth today. So here we have the Granite River Labs receiver calibration automation. So this is automated JTOL setup. So it calibrates all of the impairments, SJ, DMI, CMI, to make sure that you have all the impairments calibrated for PCIe 7 JTOL. With this setup, then everything is being calibrated here through the pattern generator. This is then being connected through the ISI board. The ISI board plus the PCIe 7 PHY package is 36 dB, which is what the specification requires. And as you can see here on our actual receiver, what we are being measured is our receiver eye itself. As you can see here, we have really good linear PAM4 eyes. We have really good eye margin. We also have really good BATSO plots. It's showing extrapolation well beyond what the spec requires. And overall, we have really strong performance in a PCIe 7 JTOL environment. On the transmitter side, we now have the transmitter connected through these cables. These cables are then being de-embedded on the actual scope. And we actually did some measurements on these eyes here, and we did measurements like SNDR, RLM, eye height, and eye width, and they all showed really good performance with this whole setup here as well. Overall, in a situation like this where we have receiver calibration setup, receiver testing, this really stresses our SerDes performance, and even with these stressful conditions as per the spec requires, we show really good performance. And this ensures that whenever customers use our products, it's been stressed as much as possible to make sure that whenever they have it and they integrate it into their own products, they have margin and robust performance. For more information, please go to synopsys.com/PCIe. Thank you. Hi, we are here at DevCon 2026 in Santa Clara Convention Center. I'm Monica. I'm a technical product manager at Synopsys, and we're here at the Keysight booth where we'll be showcasing our PCIe 7 electrical performance. On the physical setup here, we have the Synopsys PCIe 7 PHY evaluation board, and we have the transmitter connected to the Keysight UXR 70 gig scope. As you can see here on the screen, we're using the Keysight PCIe 7 electrical compliance testing. And as you can see here, we have two tests, which are SNDR and RLM. For SNDR, we're showing with the Keysight software, they're measuring 37.5 dB, which is really good performance for a transmitter for PCIe 7 data rates. And for RLM, we're also showing 0.975. It's good for us as an IP vendor to make sure that we validate a lot of our electrical performance with third-party vendors like Keysight to make sure that whenever customers get our equipment, it's been validated across different types of vendors. Okay. Now moving to our receiver performance for our PCIe 7 PHY, we have the Keysight BERT, which is outputting PRBS23 at PCIe 7 data rates into this ISI board, which is then being connected to our receiver. So the full bump-to-pump loss is 36 dB, which is what the spec requires. Then within our PHY, we have an RX to TX. So then we output that signal. It does the equalization within the PHY, and then it re-outputs that into the BERT's error detector. On the error detector, you can see here that you have 4 distinct levels, and BER is essentially 0. What this shows is not just that we're validating our own IP with our own error checkers. We're also using a third party or a Keysight's BER checker to make sure that it's being validated with external instruments, and we're not just validating with ourselves. So overall, this demonstration shows our PCIe 7 performance for the transmitter and the receiver, and using third-party instruments to validate that what we're testing in our own labs matches with whatever the industry is doing. If you'd like more information on any of our other PCIe 7 products, please go to synopsys.com/PCIe. Thank you.